A wave of a hand changes the Kelvin, shuts the light off, turns it on. Long press increases and decreases the light level. On the top, simply hold, brings down the light, or simply raise up. And what we're going to do is show you how to install and what this light is about. Tubicen is a pendant type light. As we open up the box to show you how nicely they are packed with the instruction guide, removal of the foam, we have the light fixture made of plastic. Installations required. Everything's included in the kit. Hardware, screws, wire nuts, anchors. The COB LED, please remember to peel its film off of the bulb and magnification area. And you'll load A, neutral, and ground, and your dome. This is a 2700 Kelvin through 4000 plus Kelvin. It is a hand waved unit that will activate when you wave your hand underneath the sensor. As we have the bracket being removed, and we're going to install on top in the located area of your junction box, a light fixture, by simply placing in the screws and adjusting. Easy installation. Ground lead hooks up, acts as a hanger. Connecting your loads and neutrals. Lifting and locking down. The maximum height level, sliding up and into the unit of the length the light needs to be hung. For tall ceilings, pivoted, angled, in hallways, kitchen aisles, and more. Simply take off the top, bring back down, lift to release. On the top, we need to tighten down, and the light is lit. When you have reached the length your light is hung, the light will turn on automatically with the switch. It is a 2700 through 4000 plus Kelvin with the sensor within 3 inches or less to change the Kelvin, the brightness, and on and off. Simply place your hand underneath. Over 3 seconds will dim the light. Place your hand again underneath where the sensor is located to brighten up the light. Short press changes the Kelvin of the light. And it cycles through each of the Kelvins and turns off the light. This is your light. To readjust the height is not pulling, but pressing up on the top and sliding down. Over here in the center, hold the cable, press in to the top, and slide down up to the maximum length of cable. I hope this is the light that you are looking for in your lighting needs. Enjoy your product of your pendant light. Thank you for viewing.